we love everything shower day. I feel tired, but not too tired. I was literally dead yesterday, but getting all to sleep in the crib has been honestly a success. I'm gonna try to go as fast as I can because Matt is rushing me. Repurchase Clear Stem skincare. I didn't use it for like 2 weeks because I ran out. You can only get it online and I just like didn't order it fast enough. Didn't use it for 2 weeks. Skin started looking real bad, real fast. And then literally after day 1 of using it again, back to gorgeous, back to loving life. Like you can even see like I have this like redness right there from not using it. It's crazy. I have it in my Amazon storefront. Sometimes I put moisturizer on if I'm feeling really dry, but not all the time. Sometimes I'll just do the serums. We also restocked our face cleansers. We do the daily cleanser and the scrub from Biba. She's an esthetician in Los Angeles. She does like Claudia and Phineas. That's how I initially knew about her. I went in with the detox shampoo and the thick hair shampoo because when I only shower once a week and I'm going to blow dry it, I like to make sure it's like really, really cleansed. You know when you go get a blowout, they're like, do you want 1 washes or 2? So I did like the detox, and when I was like almost done, I threw in some of the thick hair shampoo, and there's a mosquito. No. Got it. Ew. Going in with their leave-in conditioner. I don't know why I keep using my travel size one. Well, it's because I'm out of both my full-size ones. I got a new one, but then my mom was coming in town to stay with me, and I wanted the bathroom to look really cute. So I put in the medium hair collection by Way and leave-in conditioner for her because she loves their wave spray and everything. It's such a good gift, you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of like gift tips in this video, and obviously the first one is going to theway.com/LaurenElizabeth because you get 15% off. This video is obviously sponsored by Way. You know that they're my absolute favorite. Matt's sweet mother literally used my code like 2 months ago, and now all of her friends are using it. They're obsessed. So it really is for like any age. My mom loves it too. What I would recommend is the hair oil, because if someone just wants kind of like healthier hair, a quick fix, they want to just see immediate results, boom, throw in the hair oil. It also makes such good stocking stuffer. For someone with hair like me that's really naughty and has a lot of it, leave-in conditioner. One of my favorite things about the Way is that it smells unreal. Now my boyfriend associates me with this smell, which is like, thank you so much, Way. And then finally the detox shampoo for someone that's like really into hair care or just like working out or something like that. Like you're not calling them gross. You're just like, girl, you get after it and you need a detox because you deserve it. Make sure to use my link because you will get 15% off in the holidays. Get crazy. So use the 15% off. That's the OUAI.com. Stocking stuffers, gifts, like literally anyone you don't know what to get, you're doing them a favor and you're getting them a really nice gift. I'm gonna self tan. I do put this over my serums and stuff and it doesn't break me out, which is great. Your girl is looking pale and this will start working like right away. So like by tonight I'll have a glow and then tomorrow it'll look perfect. And I just raw dog it. I don't mix it with moisturizer or anything. And if I'm feeling dry with it on and I wanna make sure it's really blended, this is just the Biba, same woman I was telling you about. Let's take a little bit of her barrier cream. Gonna go tan the body. Think I'm gonna air wrap it tomorrow, but I always do oil after. And it smells amazing. I mean, look how healthy that hair is. Okay, queen, what? We just went out to lunch after Olive's pediatrician appointment. Then we went to Anthropologie and Paper Source, and I think I knocked over 5 different displays. 3 in Paper Source, or maybe 6. 3 in Paper Source, 3 in Anthropologie. Poured myself a little glass of wine because my mom's here, and she's obviously gonna come have a little glass of wine and cheese with me, but she's holding, I was gonna say nursing, she's holding the baby downstairs so that mommy has 2 hands free, and I finally got the garland to go up. So this is what I did. You saw the struggle, and basically there's 4 command hooks, and what I did is put a string and taped the string to it like in a loop, and then tied the garland to it so that like the command hook was almost like for the string, not really the garland, and the string was, does that make sense? I don't know. Basically I makeshifted those command hooks that come with the loop because I couldn't find them anywhere. I made a ton of bows. I'm a bow making machine, and I even just did 2 Christmas gifts, and I did like 1 string and then I taped the bow to the string instead of like actually tying a bow. And I did this one too. with like a longer one. See how the string, you can see where I cut the string because it's just one piece and then the bow is separate and I put the bow on top. It's like double-sided sticky tape. It's like from Paper Source and it's like permanent basically, like it's not coming off the paper ever. And you like stick it down and then you peel off the red side and stick it to the other side. I don't know, I'm losing my train of thought. But I think I'm going to put these through the back of the bow where the knot is, and then I place them on. But it's Friday night and my mommy's here and Matt's playing video games and everything is right in the world. Little pro tip is what are they called? Get some of the gift sets and then like divvy them up. So like these two came together and I'm splitting them up, and then this came in a pack of 3, splitting them up, and then one of each of these. Gonna put each one with a candle and make a little gift bag. I'm so tired, but we have no time to be tired. We are having 2 couple friends, like a little triple date, come over. So I just put on like a little bit of makeup. I'm absolutely loving what I've been doing with my makeup lately. Not that it's completely done. Hi, Belle. You wanna say hi? Oh my goodness, hi. Hi. Oh, yes. I'm wearing this new sweater from Revolve. It's like really thick and like really high quality. You can just like tell. And so I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, I forgot I went to get rid of these flowers. They're like dead and old. So I'll show you guys some of the hosting prep. I always put the flowers in facing down. So let me show you what we're gonna do. Let's take that downstairs. Oh, I can't stop yawning. We're charging these because they're really cool. They just charge up and then they go on, and that's what we put over top. So it's really easy. My mom is picking up a couple more candles for me. The candlesticks are from Amazon, and then those are Crate and Barrel. Stella, stop it. We're vlogging. We're gonna do some cookie decorating. So I'm gonna put regular cookies in the oven, and then I got those giant gingerbread men from Whole Foods. Even got some of the good chocolate while I was gone. Then I just had to figure out like what I want to do with this table. I'll probably put like a cheese board there, so I usually don't really like worry about it since there's always cheese there. And 2 Christmas candles, so maybe I'll just move the vase. Maybe I'll do one of these. That actually looks kind of nice. I got a gift idea. These are both cheese boards / cutting boards with the couple's names engraved, well, their last names, since they just got engaged. It's a really good engagement gift. And the tree is looking very pretty. I put batteries in here, so that's finally lit up. That's looking cute. That's looking cute. And everything is pretty much clean. And now I just have to prep. Oh, I gotta move that. Now I just have to prep the food. Another lazy person hack is if you don't feel like making the meat look pretty, keep it exactly how it looks in the packaging and line her up. And then to save room, I cut up the cheese because I don't have a bigger cheese board. Do you know I don't have a bigger cheese board? It's really upsetting. No, I don't. Just made 2 packs of sugar cookies to go with all this stuff. Stella's driving me crazy. And then prepped the salad with no dressing. And then we're putting these back up. after charging them. We'll see how they look. Oh my god. And you like kind of smell weird up here. I hired a private sous chef for the night. This is her. She's not very friendly, but she gets the job done. What are we doing, Kiki?
I'm just zesting. I'm making your breadcrumbs with lemon zest, and I'm gonna put a little of this aged cheese in it when it's cool.
And the best is if you put it on top of your salad, even just a simple salad, and it gives it extra flavor and crunch so you don't feel like you're serving a really boring salad. But I haven't mastered the breadcrumb thing yet, so.
I'm not sure I mastered it.
My whole family just got here and no one told me that they were coming. So don't really know what my day looks like today because all I can hear is my brothers running around upstairs with a bunch of dogs. Ready to go. Did I give you guys a room reveal? I mean, how good does this look? So much better, like literally absolutely insane. Don't look too closely at the paint job, but we did it, and now honestly I feel so much better. Like I feel like literally a new person that we did this. Okay, this is the outfit I'm thinking of wearing for Thanksgiving. I saw it on a girl on Instagram and it looked really cute, and I feel like it's like not tight around the tummy area, which is really good for just like my mental state because I'm not feeling like super confident since I haven't really worked out still. And then maybe putting it with like a little black boot. I think this could be really cute. I'll just keep my necklaces like usual. They tangle a lot if you can't tell, like this. So I'll just wear my necklaces like usual, put on my jewelry, and then I honestly might do my hair slicked back, but probably just down behind my back. That worked out. I don't have a strapless bra, so we're gonna have to like figure that out. Maybe I can just get away with it like that. I'm not breastfeeding anymore, so the boobs are kind of have their freedom back. Quick OOTD, while they pack up the car. I'm obsessed with this sweater. The girl is ready to go. Just a little bit of overstimulation before Dad gets back. Go to any Jewel or Whole Foods and then pick out a few bouquets, and they'll rewrap them, like cut all of them open and rewrap them for you like this. And it looks like you have an awesome flower arrangement. Officially in suburbia, getting my stuff. Olive's inside eating. Had Chick-fil-A on the way because it's our tradition. It's like so nice. I love being in the suburbs so much. Pretty sure I messed up this vlog because I didn't edit the right way. I don't know. Either way, it's a good vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I messed up my self-tanner and I'm door dashing more to fill it in. I'm literally door dashing from Sephora to fix it. Got all of our stuff and we're gonna have a family weekend. See you guys next week.